Hey there, Steve Rubis with another installment of Capital Markets Investor Relations in 2 minutes or less. Today we're going to talk about earnings calls, a corporate perspective. When you're building an earnings call, it's driven by these fundamental principles. You start with the idea that you don't want to trigger Reg FD. You do everything you can to avoid disclosing material non-public information, which means your goal is to minimize downside risk at all costs, and ultimately means the call is about preparation. You're going to prepare a script and even Q&A to ensure that you avoid triggering Reg FD. The goal is that investors believe that you have the best narrative and the best management team to run the company going forward. So if you're a sell-sider and you want to get a question on the call, here are 3 premises that'll probably get you a call every time. Are you doing thoughtful, high-quality research on the company? Do you have an investment banking relationship where your bank is putting the balance sheet to work on a daily basis? Credit and treasury services? And are you giving high-quality investor engagement? If you're doing those 3 things, you're going to get a call. Now, what do you do if you want the first question on the call? Well, the key is, are you supportive of management? And then number 2, are you willing to ask the question about the hot topic to start the call? Or are you willing to ask the question that management wants to ask answered first to get their Q&A set up for success? If you're willing to do those things, you're going to get the first question. Now, if you're a sell-side analyst, there's 7 levers at your disposal to ensure that you get a question on the call. And it ranges from having the best research in the quarter, having really strong relationships with management, investors liking you, either top 20 or the general investor population, and then really preparing and helping the IR team prepare for that call. And the fundamental approach for a sell-sider is if you can help investor relations prepare and generate success during Q&A and an earnings call, you're going to get a question on the call, even if you have a hold rating. And what I would advocate for corporates all over is to advocate for your sell-siders. Sometimes you need to give a different person a chance to help your story or help your stock move forward. And always give that white glove concierge service regardless of rating, buy, sell, or hold. And the key learning if you're a sell-sider is this: if you do thoughtful research and help people succeed and take a dispassionate approach and don't trigger Reg FD, you're going to get a question on the call, even if you might be negative. Thanks for watching. Always here to help you with your capital markets, investor relations, and corporate finance needs.